Okay, so welcome back, guys. This is Luis. So in the previous video we configured NPS and I'm on my client system, my Windows 8 system. So I'm going to log in as administrator, and then previously we checked connectivity. So the next thing I want to do is I need to create a VPN connection to my organization's network. To do this, I have to right click on the network icon and then go to Network and Sharing Center. And then let me quickly verify something. Okay, I do have a VPN connection, so let me quickly delete it so we can just do everything afresh. Alright, so now when I come to the Network and Sharing Center, I have set up a new connection or network. So I click on this, then connect to a workplace. That's what I'm interested in. So I click on that, then I click next. Then VPN requires you to use internet. So we are going to say use my internet connection, even though we don't have internet in our virtual environment. Select that. Then we will say we will set up the internet connection later. Select that. Then we need to enter the internet address of our server, which is 50.50.50.2. If yours was still 50.50.50.1, please maintain it as such. But if you changed it when I changed mine to .2, then you also make sure it is .2 here. Then we click, you can decide to give it a different name if you want to. Then we click create. So we have a VPN connection created. Now I want us to go through something, even though it won't work, but then so that in the real life environment, when you get that error, then you know what you are supposed to do. So I'll come here, I click on the VPN connection, then I click connect. Then I need to specify my credentials. So administrator, and then enter my password, and then click OK. So we wait. So it says what? The connection was closed by the remote computer. Well, let's try again. Okay. It still says the connection was closed by the remote computer. Others may get error 812. That tells you that the authentication scheme that you are trying to use is not supported by the system. Alright, so to do this, I'm going to go to change adapter settings. We need to fix the error. Right click on the VPN connection and go to properties. And then on the security tab, you notice we enabled a certain VPN. We enabled a certain authentication protocol, MS CHAP. So we also need to select allow these protocols and then click OK. Once that is selected and then you click OK, let me just verify that it was actually selected. Okay, it is selected. You don't really do anything, just check allow these protocols and click OK. So we can try our VPN connection one more time, and this time if everything is alright, it should work. So okay, so yeah, we are connected. We now have a VPN connection. But the problem here is this VPN connection uses a protocol called PPTP. Now PPTP is not secured. It only creates the tunnel, but then it does not encrypt or secure the connection. So what it means is that anyone who has the right tools will be able to connect to the server through will be able to sniff or capture the packets that are being transferred between the remote user and then the office. So more secure ways, you can either use L2TP with IPsec, or you can use SSTP. So in the next video, we will look at how to establish a more secure VPN rather than going with this normal PPTP VPN. So now let's check something. Let's verify something. We have this VPN connection here. Right click on it and go to properties. Let's go to networking and then IPv4 properties. Sorry, not here. Let's actually go to the status. Right click and go to status and click details. So you notice that it has an IP address from the range that we specified. Do you see it? It has an IP address from the range that we specified. So this is what it is using to communicate on the network with the other users on the network. So thank you for watching. So from here you can access anything that has been shared on the network, like let me see if I have any shares. Double backslash. Okay, I have a member server, but then I think it's offline. What about DC-1 and then backslash? So you see, I can access anything that is on the server directly, as if I was on the server. And then let's go to the server and also take a look at something here. Now when I come here, view full screen, and then I come to routing and remote access, and then I go to remote. Let me refresh here. Remote access clients. There is one client who is logged on, the username, so you can see that the administrator is the one who has logged on, the duration, how long he's been logged on for the past 2 minutes, the port, he's using a port, and then no NAP capable, not NAP capable, and all that. So that is it. VPN has been established, as simple as that. So in the next video we'll look at how to make our VPN connection more secured. Thank you for watching.